Now, I'm going to show you in this video a feature that is going to protect your WhatsApp conversation. Now, if you're having a secret conversation with people that you don't actually want anybody to get access to those conversations, or you don't want anybody to know that you are chatting with such people, maybe your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, anybody that you know that it will be dangerous if anyone get access that or know that you are having a conversation with such person, or maybe you have a boyfriend and you have other boyfriend, you have a girlfriend and you have another girlfriend, but you want to protect those chats so that no one will get access to this conversation. Now, these things you can do it on your WhatsApp account. I'm going to show you the feature that you can enable so that you can be able to protect those chats. Whenever you want to chat with that person, you alone will be the person to unlock that chat and start having your secret conversation going on. So, as you're watching this video, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please, I make videos about how to grow your Facebook. I make videos how to protect your account, especially WhatsApp, Facebook, uh, YouTube, and so many videos how you can, understand your Android phone that you're usually using. So I make such videos. I make all kinds of videos. You can check my YouTube channel. I also make videos about review products. So you can check my YouTube channel. You have several videos you can watch to solve any of your problems. So please join my community by subscribing to my YouTube channel and like this video. Tell me where you are watching me from, and if you have any challenges, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will always go through my comment, okay, to answer your problems. Okay, now I want you to join me on my screen where I'm going to show you this feature, how you can set all these things and you protect your WhatsApp account. So guys, let's dive into the video. So I told you guys that I'm going to show you a feature that is going to protect your WhatsApp chat from getting compromised. Like if you're having secret chat with some people and you don't actually want anyone to get access to those chat, maybe sometimes you give your phone to your friends and you don't want them to go on your WhatsApp and get access to your WhatsApp chat. This is how you're going to protect your WhatsApp. I'm not talking about the way you secure your WhatsApp app is different. So let's go back. Let's go to our WhatsApp. No, so now this is my WhatsApp account. Okay. To do that, you have to highlight the chat. Okay. Just press your hand on the chat. And when you press it, you will see something like this. Okay. This three dot, okay, on the WhatsApp. So what you will do, click on this three dot, and once you click on that three dot, you will see something like this. Please pay attention. You will see something like this, okay? This thing that say lock chat. So we are going to lock this chat, okay? And nobody is going to get access on this chat except only me. Okay, so I'm going to click on that lock chat. So under the lock chat, see what they just wrote? It say keep this chat locked and hidden. Okay, he say use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notification on this device. For even more privacy, lock chat will be kept separate from other chat. Okay, just like what I explained to you guys. Okay, so now what I will do, I'm going to click on this place. Just click on continue. Okay, make sure you pay attention to what I'm actually showing you guys. Just click on this place that say continue. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place, continue. Here, I'm going to input my phone password. Okay, so I'm going to click, and then here we have actually locked this chat. Now, your question is, where can I see this chat? Okay, now for you to see this chat, whenever you come over to where you normally chat, you'll see the chat at the head of your conversation. Okay, this is the chat. Okay, this is the chat. Just take a look on it. You see, this is the chat. Now, if I actually want to chat this person right now, I can click on that chat and they are going to give me the option to put my password. Okay, so I'm going to put my password and click, and the chat is going to open for me to start having conversation with that person. So if you have some important conversation that you don't actually want anybody to get access to those kind of conversation, maybe you give someone your phone and the person know your password, then you are afraid that this person is going to get access to your chat. This is how you protect your chat. for someone not to get access to your WhatsApp conversation. Okay, so go and try this method and see how it works. It's going to protect your WhatsApp conversation from anyone not to get access to it. If you love this tutorial, please help me by joining my community by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. They are not going to charge you. Subscription is free. Make sure you turn the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first person to receive notification. Thank you for paying full attention on this video. I really appreciate for your support. If you are my returner viewers, I really appreciate you for coming by, and I will continue to do more videos for you guys. Thank you so much.